So I just got back home in US and I just find out there's a smoothie place open close to my house. So let's go and check it out. Nè lạnh. Thịt bạc nó. Hàng smoothie. Đây nè, lạnh liên lan vậy. Nên chọn là bò tè. Đó hết cái này smoothie. Hàng Frutilandia. I can't even spell that name. Oh, it's hot. Ooh, it's big. Hi. Let's see. Ooh, it's a lot.
Mango here.
Oh, I cannot eat mango.
No mango. Okay.
Yeah.
Piña colada. This is cherry.
Oh, I like this one. Can I have this one?
Yeah, it's a good one.
Just this one, please. That's too big for me. Oh, look at that. What they have. How much?
That will be.
Yeah, that's it.
There you go. Can I have your sign on the screen?
Oh, okay. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
So here's come to 976. And they have pretty big, right there. And then I'm gonna go and get my French fry at Burger King over there. Dương tự do French fry với Burger King này nọ. Tôm mục. Alright, here's come my drink. I just live right next door. That's why I want to do some vlog. Thank you. Piña colada. Thank you. Piña colada. Alright. This is one of my favorite ever. Mexican drink. This is Mexican drink. Alright. Let's see. Let's test it. And this is the smoothie place. Alright. Let's see if it's... Oh, they have ice cream on the top. Alright, so I'm just gonna go and pick up my French fry at Burger King right over there. Okay. That's Burger King, just right in front of it. That's the smoothie place, and that's my French fry place, Burger King. And right over there is supermarket, Food City. Okay. Now it's hot. Tonight, no, này, home, Burger King, no, Food City, cái lại lụa hộp grocery, grocery is right there, and the smoothie is right here, and right next to the Food City, chọp ng Food City nè, hàng Việt Nam, hàng bay Việt Nam, còn tay cái lại nó cái chuyện karaoke. So I really don't go there. Chừng ở đây tới lại nữa. Ô, sắp tới mà đong, từ nhằm bay sụp nữa mà đong. Còn lại, nhưng miền cái lại favorite dương. Tại cái này sẽ nó không nâng tầng ốc. Right there. Okay, let's go get more. Alright, so let's see. I can't even put money. Alright, let's get some side, French fry, and then hear what they got. So we're gonna get some this one. counter, and then you can pay through the card or at the counter. They come all with tag for 12. Here's my French fry. Oh, I can't even. French fry and smoothie today. I'm walking to the market with my French fry and smoothie. Just want to check out what it's got. I want to show you guys. So, okay, so here it is. So pretty much they have everything here. So they have fruit, veggie, groceries, pretty much all the grocery you need. And the meat is behind. They have everything. So pretty much this would call compared to the market in Cambodia. I would say this place it's like wholesale market, but they have a little more meat section, and that is seafood right there. All right, beer if you want. They have a beer section over here too. Drink, beer. So this is like Mexican. Food City is like Mexican market. Like most of the product they import from Mexico. ពីគេយកផលិតផលពីប្រទេស Mexico មក So this is the meat section. And they have pretty much all the seafood, beef, chicken, fish, everything. Cheese over there. And they have bakery too right up front. So let me show you guys. គេមានកន្លែងគេហៅ bakery ហ្នឹងកន្លែងដុតនំអានេះនំ Michigan like Michigan I don't even know what that is, but I used to eat it. I just don't know what it's called. So this is Michigan food. I mean Michigan cake. Num với tràn. Okay. Hay ní trong thực tortilla taco. Liên mà cái cầu. They even have some food dairy. They make it over there. If you're lazy, they have food over here too. Right here. So they have fried chicken. I don't know. There's a lot of Michigan food here. So pretty much it's over there. They have what they have. So that's what they have. If you're lazy, and they have my favorite Coca-Cola product. I like. They have like grilled chicken, grilled pork over here too. Alright, I'm walking back home now. I thought I would just video only smoothie, but now it's like the whole. So now my smoothie is melting. Ouch. I don't have hand. Alright, walking back home. Alright. Okay. Here what they got. Back to work. French fries. Oh, oh, it's smelling now. I thought I would just go there just to get smoothie and then back home, but I just filmed the whole section of Burger King and market and everything. But actually the market, they have a little bit more to show. Not a little bit more to show, but I'm hungry. So I just rushed back home and try my smoothie, my favorite Mexican drink. And by the way, that one it cost you $9.76, that drink. And this one it was like $4 something, I forgot. That's American meal. That's not meal, this is just oh shoot, I'm still sick. So the total it was about $13-14. It's not even meal, so this is like just snack and drink, that's all. See? មកពេលអានេះមិនមកពេលហ្នឹងអានេះគ្រាន់តែរបស់ញ៉ាំលេង4-10 វា that's why it's better to spend money in Cambodia. Bye.